Hello and welcome to today's video. I ordered something off of eBay that's actually from Disneyland or Disney World. I'm actually quite excited about this one. I'll talk about it as I open it, or when I open it. Unfortunately, I couldn't order this directly from Disney because they didn't exactly have my size. I had to pay a fair bit more to get it off of an eBay seller. Okay, I have no idea how this goes. Let's undo that. And that one. Okay, so that's how they. Yeah, they didn't have this size in stock. But that's the sash that goes around the waist. Let's see if I can. So it just snaps together, and okay, so those are attached. But yeah, this is the Jedi Tunic. I've been wanting one for a while, and I'm glad they put them up on the Disney store, but they were never in stock for the size I needed. But oh yeah, it's kind of a mess. Let's see if it fits me. It should. How does it fit? Oh wow. Okay. It's a little bit bigger than I anticipated. Probably could have gotten away with a large, but I wasn't sure on how they did their sizing. Okay. Quite like this. Okay, so that's attached to the back. And then these just hang down with the sash that goes around. Is this adjustable at all? Oh, it's only got two clips. How do I do this? Let's do it around the front. Okay. Yeah, I need to get myself a Jedi belt. Spin it around. I'll just tilt the camera down a little bit. Gotta fix these tabards. That's awesome. I can wear a shirt underneath. Sweet. I am very happy with this. Okay. Yeah, actually, this does fit me. Belt. Sash is actually not super big on me. Washing instructions. for showing it off. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one. Have a good one.